Do you think mango makes your nut taste weird like pineapple does? Dude, you need to get the fuck out of my face expeditiously. Today's cocktail done quickly is the spicy Mangolada. I'm sorry, Kill Divill. The intros to these videos are supposed to be kind of raunchy, and that was all I could think of. I'm really sorry. Spicy Mangolada is Kill Divill's entry into the daiquiri riffs competition I just participated in with a bunch of other YouTubers. I wanted to give it a try, so let's do that right now. Talk about the ingredients. For this cocktail, you're going to need White Rum, Ancho Reyes chili liqueur, the green variety, mango nectar, coconut syrup, lime juice, and for garnish, a wheel of lime. He said coconut syrup. I'm going to use cream of coconut. I think it's going to be functionally the same thing here, but Monin brand coconut syrup's honestly really good too. So use that if you want to use a syrup. Let's go ahead and shake it up. We're going to start with just 1/4 ounce of our Ancho Reyes chili liqueur. Come behind that with 1 3/4 ounces of white rum. Next up, we'll do 1 ounce of our coconut syrup, 1 ounce of mango nectar, and finally 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We're gonna grab some ice and give that a shake. We're gonna cap that up, tap that down, and give that a shake for 10 to 15 seconds to chill and combine. For serving, I'm gonna grab a chilled Nick and Nora glass out of my freezer, and into that we'll double straight our cocktail. Finish that off, we'll garnish that with a nice wheel of lime. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the spicy Mangolada. Cheers. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Mine came out much more pale colored than his did, but maybe I just have worse mango nectar. Cheers. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, that is so good. It's so nearly a dessert daiquiri in a glass. But that chili liqueur is coming through loud and proud and providing just enough of a spice and poblano pepper flavor to like really nail it on the head that this is something springy and refreshing and not too heavy and desserty. I would add a chili lime garnish, like rim, like tahini rim around this, and then, oh my God, you're selling it perfectly. That is so good. Very rich, very creamy, very delicious. Thanks for watching.